हेलो दोस्तों, हमारा अगला टॉपिक है, अगर हमारे पास डेसिमल नंबर गिवन है तो उससे ऑक्टल नंबर, हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर, बाइनरी नंबर या बेस 4 नंबर, बेस 5 नंबर, बेस 8 नंबर या किसी भी बेस का नंबर कैसे बनाया जाता है। तो दोस्तों, इस प्रोसेस को अच्छे से समझने के लिए आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरा वीडियो आखिर तक देखें। ठीक है, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी प्रोसेस। इस प्रोसेस को मैंने और फॉर्मूले को मैंने नाम दिया है डिवाइड डॉट मल्टीप्लाई। मतलब डेसिमल से पहले का जो वैल्यू है उसको मैं डिवाइड करूंगा और डेसिमल के बाद की जो वैल्यू है उसको मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा। तो डिवाइड डॉट मल्टीप्लाई इस फॉर्मूले का नाम है। ठीक है, अब जैसे हमारे पास है 538.25 नंबर, तो 538 नंबर को डिवाइड करेंगे पहले उस नंबर से जिस नंबर में हम इसको कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं। हम इसको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो बाइनरी का बेस कितना है 2, तो हम इसको 2 से पहले डिवाइड करेंगे। ठीक है, और आफ्टर डेसिमल जो वैल्यू है उनको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। तो 538 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे और जो रिमाइंडर आता जाएगा वो इस तरफ लिखते जाएंगे। मतलब 538 डिवाइड बाई 2, 2 2 4, so this is 2 6 and then becomes 18, so this will be 9, remainder will be equal to 0. Now 269 divided by 2 is 134, but 134 into 2 is 268, so there is one remainder here, so that remainder will be coming here, right? So you can say 134 into 2 plus this 1 will be equal to 269. Now this 2 divided by 134 is divided by 2, so answer is 67 and remainder is 0. There is no remainder this time. 67 divided by 2 is 33 and remainder is 1. 33 divided by 2, so result is 16 and remainder is 1. 16 divided by 2, result is 8, remainder is 0. Now 8 divided by 2, so result is 4, remainder is 0. 4 divided by 2, result is 2, remainder is 0. 2 divided by 2, result is 1, remainder is 0. Now see, this 1 is less than the divider. Further division is not possible, right? So we'll stop the process here. Next, after decimal values. So 0.25 multiplied by 2, result is 0.5. So before the decimal place, value will be reaching here, and after decimal place, this value will come on to this side, right? So this will be 0.5 multiplied by 2, this is 1.0. So before decimal value will be reaching here, and 1.0 minus 1, this will be 0 only, so 0 will be coming on to this side. So 1 is reaching on to this side, and after decimal value will be reaching here. After decimal is 0, so this is 0 into 2. So this is 0 and coming here 0. Now put arrow like this. So this is more significant bit, and after decimal this is more significant bit, right? So this is 1 4 zeros 1 1 0 1 0, 1 4 zeros 1 1 0 1 0, point 0 1 0, right? So we'll start it like this, 0 1 0, right? So this is a binary number result. Let's take second example, that is we wish to convert 538.25 into a number whose base is 4. So we'll divide it. Before the decimal place, whatever the value is, we need to divide it by the base of the number in which we wish the number to be converted into, and number in which we wish to convert is 4, so we are dividing this by 4. So this is successive division. 538 divided by 4, result is 134 and remainder is 2. 134 divided by 4, result is 33, remainder is 2. 33 divided by 4, result is 8, remainder is 1. 8 divided by 4, result is 2 and remainder is 0. Now 2 cannot be divided by 4. Further division is not possible. So we'll finish this here, and after decimal place values, let's do multiplication process. So before decimal multiply, divide, after decimal multiply. So that is the reason we call this formula as divide dot multiply. To remember the whole process, I call this as divide dot multiply, right? Let me remind you that whenever we have been converting any number to decimal number, the formula was multiply dot divide. Now the formula is divide dot multiply because we are doing the process decimal to any other number. Now opposite process, right? So 0.25 into 4, it is coming out to be 1.0. Now this Before decimal place value will be reaching here, after decimal place value, which is 0, will be coming here, and 0.0.4. So this will be 0 and 0 coming here. Now we'll put arrow like this, same this and this. So 20122, 20122, and this is 1010. In the same order we need to write it here. So this is a radix 4 number equivalent of decimal number 538.25. Right. Next example is 538.25. I wish to be converted into a octal number system. So before decimal value I need to divide it by 8. Successive division is required, and after decimal successive multiplication is required, right? So here 538 divided by 8, this is result is 67 and remainder is 2. So this is 538 divided by 8. 8 into 6 is 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. So 5 will be coming here, right? 58, 56, 8 into 7, 56, and 2. So 2 is the remainder here, right? So this is the process. 67 divided by 8. 8 into 8, 64. So how much is remaining? 3. So 8, and this is 3. 8 divided by 8. So result is 1 here. Remainder is 0. So 1032. So that is the reason it is 1032 here. After decimal it is 0.25. Since it is 0.25, so what will we do here is that 0.25 multiplied by 8. So result is 2.0. Here before decimal place it is 2. So what will I do is, before decimal place I'll keep this as 2, and after decimal place this value will be taken further for successive multiplication. So 0.0 multiplied by 8 will be equal to 0.0. So this will be 0, right? So this is, arrow is like this and this arrow like this. So this is 1032 and this is 20, 1032.20. So this is the order in which it is to be written, right? Now last conversion is 538.25 to be converted into a hexadecimal number. Hexa means base of the number is 16. So what we'll be doing is, say this, 16, 538 divided by 16, result is 33. Now remainder is 10. 10 is equivalent to A in hexadecimal, because we are converting the number into hexadecimal. So 10 equivalent in hexadecimal is A. Now 33 divided by 16, result is 2, remainder is 1. So this is 21A, which is coming here. After decimal, 0.25 multiplied by 16. So it is 4.0 on this side. 4 will be coming onto this side, and after decimal value will be going on to this side, and after decimal value it is 0.0. 0.0 multiplied by 16 is coming out to be 0.0. So this will be going here as 0. Result is this arrow on through this side and this arrow on to this side. Upper arrow right, 21A. So this is 21A, 0.4040. So this is hexadecimal result of decimal number 538.25. So friends, we have learned so far two formulas. Whenever we are converting any number into decimal, formula says we have multiply dot divide, and whenever we are converting decimal number to any number, then formula is successive division dot multiply. So here this dot is basically a decimal place. So after decimal place multiply, before decimal place divide. So this is the formula, right? So very easy to remember. Friends, if you understood this process completely and able to interpret the concept, then you are requested to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.